long before your hand was holding mine. I whispered to the heavens, please send me a sign. Through lonely nights and endless days, I carried hope in a quiet place. Every tear, every dream I bore was leading me here to the love I prayed for. I used to think prayers fell on deaf skies, but you proved me wrong with your gentle eyes. Every word I sent to the stars above was written in fate, was calling your love. And now when I hold you, I don't ask for more, 'cause darling, it's true, you're the love I prayed for. If tomorrow feels heavy, if the world feels cold, your love's the shelter